Hey friends, today we learn how to activate followers option on Facebook. For that, first of all, open Facebook. Open profile. Click on three dots. Click on view as. Here you see on my profile, add friends are shown, but we change it to followers. Go back. Click on three lines or profile icon in the upper corner. Scroll down. Click on settings and privacy. Click on privacy shortcuts. Then click on take a privacy checkup. Then click on how people can find you on Facebook. Then click on continue. Then here you see a everyone option, change it from everyone to friends to friends. Then click on next, click on next, click on next, and click on review under topic. Go back and now you activate followers option on Facebook, and now we see how it look like. Open profile, and after open profile, once again click on three dots. Then click on view as. Here you see you successfully activate followers option on Facebook. If you like our video, please subscribe.